Okay, it's given on page number. Yes, I'm writing here with the blue pen. It's given on page number 151 in your books. Okay. And we are going to start the last question. Adya, what is this, beta? You never attend the maths class. Sometimes you are present and sometimes you leave the class. What is this, Adya? I have seen you many times, and same complaint I got from the subject teachers also. Sometime for the half of the period you are in the class, and once the period gets over, you leave the class. What is this, Adya? I have seen you many times. Better once you enter into the class, you will attend the whole class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Next time you have to attend all the classes, Adya.
Okay, ma'am.
And once teacher, yes, file ma'am was also complaining me, Adya, that you would not pay, that once ma'am ask you to read something or do something, you just switch off your mic and you leave the class. I must not get this complaint. Do not switch off your page number 151. It is given on. Question number 8 till question number 8 we have done. Now we have to start from question number 9.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, you have not tell the answer.
I didn't tell you the answer, the Mr. Das house wala.
Yes, ma'am.
No, answer is, acha, I was telling you the answers. Okay, let me tell you the answer. It's coming. We are subtracting 12 kilometer. And so I'm telling you only the answer of the Mr. Das wala जो question है, उसका आंसर बता रही हूँ मैं आपको. 8th वाले का आंसर will be 5 kilometer 265 meter. So 5 minus 5 0. This 5 will ask 1 from this. It will become 15 minus 6 is 9. And it will ask 1 from this. It will become 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 11 minus 5 is 6. So answer will be 6 kilometer 890 meters. This is the answer. Siddharth Shukla, please switch off your mic. This is the answer coming. 6 kilometer 890 meters. Okay. Now let us read the next question. Arushi Singh kaun hai ye? Vamika. Change your name, Vamika.
Ma'am, we have to write this in notebook.
Beta, this is the answer of 8th question. 8th question का answer बताया मैंने आपको ये. Okay, now everyone take out your maths pen notebook also as well as maths book also. Take out your maths pen notebook. Now we are going to start the question number 9. Abhineet, read question number 9. Abhineet, read question number 9.
And we will not do question number 8.
बेटा क्वेश्चन 8 तो कर लिया ना लास्ट टाइम. मिस्टर दास वाला रेलवे स्टेशन वाला कराया तो था. We have already done this. Okay, now let's start the question number 9. Okay, Ashray, read question number 9.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read question number 9.
Ma'am, wait for a bit only.
Why so? Why so? Ansh, you read.
I am taking out in my book.
Why have you not taken it out till now?
Ma'am, I am only going to.
10 minutes pass हो गया बेटा. Okay,
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
stop it now. Ansh Patel, better read the second question.
Yes, now I got the page number, ma'am. I can read.
Read it quickly.
Okay, ma'am. Peter had 634 meter, 34 centimeter. Ma'am, this page number I have to read. Fly his kite.
Nothing, Ansh Patel.
345 meter, 15 centimeter flew away. When the kite broke free, how much string was left with Peter?
Okay, now see here. What is happening here? Peter is flying a kite. Suppose you are Peter. Virat, no need to type anything. Okay, let me just wait a minute. Let me change the chatting for host. Chatting, chat. Wait a minute. अभी मैं chat options के लिए change कर देती हूँ. Host. Okay. Yes. Okay, now question number 9 is Peter is flying a kite. Suppose you are Peter and you are flying a kite. You all are Peter and you are flying a kite. Okay. Now what happened? 3 and you had how much string? You use string to fly a kite. क्या बोलते हैं उसे हिंदी में? What do you call it in Hindi? The string you fly a kite.
मांझा।
मांझा, ये सबको पता है, जो जो उड़ाता है ना काइट, सबको पता है क्या बोलते हैं उसको, मांझा। ठीक है। So he is having some, suppose you are Peter and you are having 600 meter आपके पास स्ट्रिंग है, जिससे आप काइट you can fly. Okay, you have 600 meter of string, मांझा जिसे बोलते हैं. Okay. Now 345 meter flew away when the kite broke free. पतंग कट जाती है? किसने सुना है पतंग कट गई? Who heard this word? क्या होता है इसमें? What happened in that? What happened in that?
The kite gets cut.
The kite gets cut. It gets broke in the between. मान लो ये यहाँ से कट हो गई और ये कट हो गई है, ठीक है। और तो क्या हुआ? 345 मीटर 15 सेंटीमीटर फ्लू अवे. अब इसमें से मान लो 300 मीटर जो था इट फ्लू अवे, ये चला गया. नाउ यू हैव टू टेल हाउ मच स्ट्रिंग इज लेफ्ट विद पीटर. अब इतना स्ट्रिंग जो होगा पीटर के पास आ जाएगा. सो हाउ मच इज लेफ्ट विद पीटर?
300.
300. How have you calculated it? How have you calculated it? How have you calculated it?
Subtracting.
By subtracting. Total string में से you will subtract the string which has been fewed away. जो चला गया उसको subtract कर देंगे. Okay. So now take out your notebooks. Write question number 9. Write Peter. Put dot 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 in between. And also it starts with Peter. It ends with Peter also. Peter. Put question mark. Now write answer.
Ma'am, it is same like the question.
No, this is different. This is different. So you will write, it is given in meters and centimeters. First of all, we will write here. Okay. So Peter had string to fly his kite. Length of string Peter had. Or length of string, or you can write total length of the string. Length of string Peter had. Or you can write Peter, total length of the string you can also write. Total length of the string is also funnier way of. Share, please do speak it, and please Rishika, can you speak it? Whatever you have written, please do. You speak. I'm writing. Yes.
Speak what I've written in chat.
Yes. Not what you have written. What is that funnier form that you have to tell?
Peter was flying his kite with this much of maths.
This much of?
Maths.
This much of maths. This is maths. Very nice. ठीक है, ये maths हो गई है ना? Kite भी maths में आ रही है. Beta, everything you present over there, it is related to maths, everything. Even the patterns you study, everything in our daily life relates somewhere or the other, it is related to maths. You know that? Okay, length of string Peter had. Okay, now let us start.
Ma'am, I am right length of string. Ma'am, it is a string what?
Beta, is this string, S-T-R-I-N-G string. You can see in the book also. Okay.
Ma'am, ma'am, words are written so small.
Words are written so small. Okay, let me do one thing for you.
Ma'am, they are not written, ma'am. Can you zoom your camera?
कैमरा zoom नहीं होता है पर zoom पर बस कैमरा zoom ही नहीं होता है. All I can do this is just can bring it closer. You can do one thing. You can put your phone in horizontal form. Rishika, are you writing?
No, what is the meaning of
flew away? कितना चला गया? Flew away or broke away. You can frame your own sentences also. जो आपको easy लगता है वो statement form करना. But हाँ, how much नहीं आता है statements में. 3, 4, 5 meter and 15 centimeter. You just subtract it and you will get length of string left.
Ma'am, we should write second statement. This length of string broke.
You can write that also. Length of string broke.
Ma'am, first statement.
Length of string broke is also okay. So,
Ma'am, in first statement, what you have write after a length of string?
Peter had.
Okay, ma'am.
Jaskaran, are you studying these days or not? You promised me.
Ma'am, I am studying.
You are studying. Okay, let me see whether you are studying or not.
Ma'am, but in night.
No, why at night? Night is for sleeping. Jaldi se complete it.
Ma'am, night.
Done, everyone?
No, ma'am.
Good, okay, beta.
Ma'am, I am on the so sentence.
I have done.
And beta always put equal to sign. And acha, ek baat aur. Yes. One more thing. Do not leave lines here in between them. Whenever write these three statements, do not leave the lines in between. This should be done without leaving lines.
Ma'am, I am also saying, ma'am, by mistake, ma'am, they are okay, ma'am, I correct. Ma'am,
Next.
I never leave lines between
Very good.
statements.
Do not leave lines in word
Excuse me,
problems. When you do word problems, no need to leave lines here.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, Vamika.
Ma'am, can you write answer 8 so statement?
No, beta, you can see from the previous recording. वहाँ पर लिखा हुआ था मैंने.
Okay.
See the answer. This is coming the answer. 289 meters and 19 centimeters. Just see this, everyone. Quickly, jaldi se.
The class will over.
What will you do? Bore हो रहे हो अक्षत? है अक्षत? Bore हो रहे हो?
Ma'am, I not say that.
Then who said it?
Ma'am, the board is blurred. Ma'am, for me.
Board is not blurred. Maybe your networks are not proper. Check your network.
Ma'am,
connection.
for me said that. Your board is not blurred.
I know. Okay, I'm going to rub this now. Enough time I have given to you. Yes, Riddhi. Okay, let me start the next multiplication.
Ma'am, I am doing this meter and centimeter.
Jaldi, quick. Those who are doing this, just quickly finish it. So now I'm going to teach you, what I'm going to teach you is multiplication in measurement. Multiplication of the metric system. Multiply in metric system. ठीक है, मल्टीप्लाई कैसे करते हैं? सपोज क्वेश्चन इज गिवन टू यू, मल्टीप्लाई 2 मीटर 20 सेंटीमीटर by 5. Okay, so what we are going to do here, we are going to make one column of meter and another column of centimeter. Okay, how many meters are there? 2 meters are there. How many centimeters are there? 20 centimeters are there. And we have to multiply by 5. So beta, there are 2 digits of centimeter, so 2 digits यहाँ पर आएंगे and the remaining digits will be in meters. 5 zeros are 0. 5 twos are 10. 2s are 10 होता है तो 1 will be carried over here. 5 twos are 10 plus 1. 10 plus 1, 11. So answer will be 11 meters 00 centimeter. Is it easy? Is it easy? Only 2 digits you have to do here.
Yes, ma'am.
Next digit you have to pass on to the next one. Okay, take out now. Everyone understood?
Ma'am, please explain again. I have not understood.
Beta, only 2 digits will be here. Let me give you one more example. Let me give you one more example. Suppose you have to multiply, multiply 7 meter 65 centimeter by 6. Excuse me, meter and centimeter. We are going to put 7 meter and 65 centimeter. Excuse me, multiply by 6. How we will multiply by 6? 5s are 30. 3 will be carried over here. 6 6 are 36 plus 3, 39. 3 will be carried over here. 7 6 are 42 plus 3, 45. So answer will be 45 meter and 90 centimeter. Understood? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Manya, what are you doing now, beta? Look here. वरना ये कैसे समझोगी मान्या? Look here. What are you doing? वो बाद में कर लेना बेटा. How will you understand this? फिर ये वाला रह जाएगा आपका. आपको समझ ही नहीं आएगा कि कैसे हो रहा है. Pay attention here. That's why I said just don't do anything. Just look on board. Okay. Now let me tell you another one that is a 2-digit number. Suppose ये 6 की जगह आपको 16 दे रखा है. So what will you do? You will make one meters column and centimeter column. Meter column and centimeter column. And we will multiply it by 6. 16, sorry, 16. 16 आप कहीं पे भी लिख सकते हो, no issues. 6 5s are 33. 6 6 are 36 plus 3, 39. 3 will be carried over here. 6 7 are 42 plus 3, 45. Put one cross over here. 1 5s are 5. 1 6 are 6. You are not going to write here. Wait a minute. This is 0. 1 3 are 3. Wait for a minute. Wait for a minute. There is some mistake over here. Give me a minute. अभी बता रही हूँ बेटा. Okay, I'm correct. Just put a cross over here. जिससे multiply करते हैं. अच्छा ये पुराने carry overs हम rubbing them. 5 1s are 5. अब 6 1s are 6 आप यहाँ नहीं लिखोगे. 6 1s are 6 you will write here. You will not write in this column because here only 2 digits are applicable. Or here 1 6 will be here. 1 6 are 6. 1 7s are 7. Okay. So 0
Ma'am,
9
please
5.
explain again.
बेटा कुछ भी नहीं, जैसे मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं वैसे ही. अब 1 6 are 6 अगर आप यहाँ लिखोगे it will be wrong. तो 1 6 are 6 जो है आप यहाँ पर लिखोगे. In the gap, after the gap, here you will write 6. 1 6 are 6. बिल्कुल वैसे ही करना है. बस बीच में थोड़ा सा गैप आ जाएगा. बस that's it. जैसे मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं एग्जैक्टली वैसे ही मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 5 6 11 and 4 7 11 and 12. So answer will be 121 meters and 40 centimeters. बेटा जैसे मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं एग्जैक्टली वैसे ही मल्टीप्लाई करना है. बस बीच में थोड़ा सा गैप आना है. थोड़ा सा गैप
In meter there is 7. If there will be 17, what we will do?
तो बहुत सिंपल है बेटा. तो यहाँ पर क्या होगा? 6 1 जा 6 और आ जाएगा यहाँ पर. ठीक है. और 1 1 जा 1 यहाँ पर 1 और आ जाएगा. इन दोनों को ऐड करना पड़ेगा. बस सिंपल. नो इश्यूज. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी. ओके लेट्स ट्राई. Now take out your maths fair notebooks. Now take out your maths fair notebooks. New page.
Ma'am, we will not do exercise 9.5 A.
9.5 A. What is A?
Ma'am, in book.
नहीं. We will do in notebook. Directly in notebook. Maths fair. Notebook. We will do in notebooks. Take out your maths fair notebook. Maths fair notebook. New page. Maths fair notebook. New page. Okay. Write exercise 9.5. Write question A. Multiply the Okay. It's better if you divide your page into 2 equal parts. It will be easier for you. Faltu mein space will take. Okay, first question is 3 meter 30 centimeter by 3. Do it. Second question is 5 meter 45 centimeter by 10. This is 1 and this is 2. Question 3 is 14 meter 63 centimeter by 8. And the fourth one is 8 meter 40 centimeter by 18 meter. Let it be 18 meters centimeter by 12. Do these questions. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let me tell you the first answer. जैसे मैं first करूँगी वैसे ही आपको और बाकी सारे भी करने हैं. You have to send me the answer. See, just give me a minute. Where's my black pen? Again gone. Chalo, I'm writing with a blue pen, but you have to also write.
I'm on group.
Okay, you can see 3 meter 30 centimeter. You have to, there will be a little bit gap. लेकिन multiply हम वैसे ही करेंगे जैसे हम करते हैं. There will be gap, but multiply we will do in the same way. 3 zeros are 0, 3 threes are 9, and 3 threes are 9. And you will make a box or something like this, and we will write 9 meters and 90 centimeters. Understood?